Hi, it's SA. Good morning. Today we'll talk about wall sweep. We have two ways to make wall sweep. The easy way is to go to architecture bar, create a wall, and go to this arrow, and we will have wall sweep and wall reveal. Wall sweep for anything to make a sweep or any outstanding part profile for the wall. Wall reveal is to make a reveal or any diver part in the wall. We will press wall sweep. If I go to any elevation or 3D view, I can press the sweep at any part, any wall. I can make it horizontal or vertical. Horizontal by press this button at modify option like this. It will be like this. If I want to make it vertical, I can press vertical and select the place. I can also control its height. When I press the sweep, I have now a temporary dimension from base of the wall and top of the wall. Can press here and write any other dimension like this, and from top I can control it like this. Also at vertical sweep, I can control the distance from the left edge or the right edge for the wall. Like this. I can select a sweep, and now I have its properties from here. Offset from wall. If I want to make offset from the wall, I can select here and make like this. Okay, and this one I can make the same. It will be like this. I can also make the sweep and the reveal from at the elevations like this, and I can control the distance between the edges from here. I can make also horizontal sweeps like this. I can also select the sweep, make it 0. I can make a copy from here to here. Okay. I can also select the sweep and go to properties, edit type to control all sweep with this type. I have here default setback if I want to control it, and I have also profile. I can select other profile from here. It will be like this. It will change all. I can select other one. It will be like this. Can select any other profile from here. Okay. I can also make a custom profile. If I want to make a custom profile, I can make a new family for this. I can go to file, new. I will make a new family for creating a wall profile. So I will select family. I have to go to family templates, which I have go to Autodesk and download it. If I want to make a window, I have to go to metric window. If I want to make a door, I will have to metric door and start with this one. If I want to make wall, I have to metric wall. If I want to make a profile, so I have to go to metric profile like this one and start with this. So I will open a metric profile. If I want to make profile, I will start here, and this will be my 0. It will stuck with the wall which I have. I will put the profile on it. So I will go to line from here, create line. I have to draw a closed profile, so I will start from this point and this point and this point, and I will close my profile here. I can make load into project or save it first. So I will save as family, my profile, new, like this. On any place I can go to any other place like this, and I can now load into project. It will load here. If I want to use it, I have to go to any sweep and go to properties, edit type, or edit type from here, profile, and I can select here and search for the name which I enter, my profile new 01. Okay, it will be like this. I can also edit on it, so I will go to my family and change it. I can like this, and I can remove this line and this line, and now create line, and I will start to draw something different. Like this. I have to make a closed profile. I will start from point and end at it. Now I can save and load into project. It will ask to overwrite it, and it will be like this. I can remove this one and this one, and now I can make it 0 from top or 0.4. It will be like this. I can also make other one here by going to architecture, WallSweep. It will be like this. Okay. I can make at the other side. I will go to WallSweep and go to this wall, and when it's near for this height, it will magnet for it like this. Okay, this is the first type of our WallSweep. We can make it in other way by going to edit the wall. We can select the wall and edit type and edit structure for it, but this will be in the next video. I hope it's simple and easy. See you next video. Bye.